Hello everyone! Julia and Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw a robin. Okay guys, what you will need for drawing a robin today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing guys, so let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's draw a robin today. So, I will start drawing our robin from its body. It has like almost a circle-like body, so we can just draw these helpful lines to show us a circle and a small circle inside. So we're just making it easier for ourselves to draw robin. So now I will draw a line going down, and then I will go for like drawing a semicircle here. If something goes wrong, you always can rub it out, and then I will go up. And my robin is almost ready, so I will go for a straight line here just to show its tail, not too long, like I will go up and then a curved line again, so it will be its tail. And now I will just connect these two lines, and here I will draw a semicircle for its wing and going down, and then I will just connect these lines, so it will be its wing. And now I will rub out all unnecessary lines, and that's why it makes it really easy to start drawing it with pencil, and then you can use marker. Just at the very beginning you need help from the pencil, and then you can just use markers or maybe crayons. So now when we have these main lines, we can go for some details. So I will just draw a circle here for its eye. So it will be our robin's eye, and a circle inside, and one more, and a small circle inside for the spotlight. So now we will draw its beak. So I will draw a line, not too long, like just to keep it simple and easy. And we are almost drawing a triangle, so we're going down. So its beak is ready. It's really cute, and we can add some lines to the wings, so it's like squished ovals, I would say, semi-ovals. And one more here, and here we're just creating this part, and then you can draw one more. So, and now we will draw a line to show its red belly. As all robins have a red tummy, and we can color it with red or orange. And I will draw it from a little bit up from its eye and going down. So I will just go to the belly. So this part I will color with orange. And now let's put our robin on a tree. Probably he's going to put some eggs or looking for some berries or insects. And do you know that robin's eggs are light blue? And do you know what they love to eat? They love to eat most full of berries, worms, insects, snails and fruits. So like almost all birds do. So I'm drawing two small triangles for its legs, and now let's draw a jungle line just to pretend that our robin is sitting on a branch. So now we will draw its toes. So I will draw a line here and a line to the left, one more, and now we will draw a curved lines, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 for its toes, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So it's almost holding this branch, and now we can draw under his toes a line. It will be for our branch, and I'm not drawing it's far away, but you can draw a tree, or maybe you decide to draw all the leaves all around. I will just draw a few leaves here, just to show that our robin is sitting on a branch. And you know, there are a lot of robins here in Ireland and also in UK, and you can also meet robins all across Europe and USA. I have never seen robins before in Russia, so it's a really unique bird. And let's draw some leaves falling apart down, so you can draw as many as you wish. If you will decide to draw some berries or maybe some fruits for the robin, it's absolutely fine. No limits here. The limit is only your imagination, guys. So you can draw almost anything. And now all we have to do is to color our cute robin. Okay guys, let's color our robin, and I'm coloring with brown for its eye, and also will go with brown, or you can use black for its beak. And I will also use the same brown for its legs. And now let's make his tummy orange, and I will use bright orange. You can use maybe orange red or some red orange color you have. Maybe even you can mix orange and red pencils, so you can experiment here and create your own color. Why not? Like I will just using marker, and you can join me just coloring with marker. And this robin is really adorable. And now let's color his upper part with dark gray. So I will use dark gray for his head and wing and tail. So just shading around. Try to keep inside black lines, so just to keep our drawing neat. And you can decorate your room with this robin. Maybe you will decide to frame it or give it as a present, or just draw as many birds as you wish. And robin is definitely one of my favorite birds, so you can even give him a name. Maybe I will decide to call him Peter. I don't know. So, and let's use light gray for its tummy, and I'm using light gray. And I would say that light gray or light beige also will work here. So I'm just shading, trying to follow these curved lines, so it's like create this pattern. And you can just draw some more lines here, just to create these patterns for the wing, or use a pencil, it will also work great. So our robin is really cute. We have drawn beautiful robin. Hope you also love yours. And now I will use a lighter brown for the branch, and then we'll use a little bit darker one for the downside of it, just to create this shadow line. So I'm going all along, and now I will use dark brown. I don't know if you can see it on your screens, but it's a little bit of difference, a little bit darker, but it creates this 3D volume, like it's in shadow. And you can also use some gray for the shadows and white pen or pencil for the spotlights. So I will leave this line like this, just to give an idea that my branch is going in these directions. And now I will just use light green for the leaves, and here we go. And just shading it around, and now we will add some spotlights, and we are almost finished. So I will add with white pen a bit of small lines, white line, just to show this light, and I will also put some light here and maybe here, and leave it dark under the bird. And I can also add some spotlights here and on the beak itself, and maybe also here on the wing, and the same will go here and here. So, and you can also use some white for its tummy, and maybe even a bit of for its legs. And it's really cute. I will just use few white lines, won't go for too many. Well, you can work in many details here and to add more spotlights. It will be look even more realistic, I would say. But I won't go too deep into detailing here. Just add a bit of shadows like this, and now I will drop a few shadows here. And look guys, how cool is our robin. This is just the most cutest robin I have ever seen. Well done guys! Thank you for watching this video guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing robin with us, and if you like our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your beautiful robins with us. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We love you guys. Bye bye.